Come on, Mason, come here.
He doesn't use his knees, he puts his whole, well, not that time, but he normally puts his whole foot.
Come here. Oh, come on. I'm sliding down to my pants. Did you make it? Come on. You're almost there. You're almost there. Oh. Yay!
Yay! Mason, yay!
Yay! Yay! Good thing I got a hold of them.
Called me 10 times.
Say yay, Mason! Yay! Oh, you can't go down them. Okay. Look at her.